So today we're going to be replacing this shoddy wing mirror with a new one. And it's so easy, even Emma can do it. So what you got to do, Emma?
I've got to take these 3 screws out. One there, and one up there.
Simple as that.
Apparently. You have to keep these screws though because you've got to reuse them. One. Oh.
Mind your nails.
I know, I'm trying not to break them. Ta-da! Oh. This one's a tough one. I don't need no help. No. I can do it.
Just watch it, it's going to come with you.
Yeah. Actually, my glamorous assistant, Rob, can you hold those?
Yep.
Ooh, dirty.
Ta-da!
Okay, so we get the new one. Line it up. Thank you. I'll go start the top first. Just screw that in a bit so it holds. Ooh, first one in. So simple. It's a bit tough, this one. Oh, give them all a tighten. One muscle. Ta-da!
Right, to close that, push it back, get that in.
Ta-da!
Just like new. Easy?
Easy. So easy. Even I did it and I didn't break a nail.
And it looks a lot better.
Winner, winner. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for more videos on the T4. Thanks for watching. Bye.